Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VRUS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Not only a good overall day, again, each one of these represents 30 minutes. So the final 30 minutes, you can see the price came roaring back to life. So I guess since today's Friday, the final 30 minutes of the entire week too, what a great way to end the week. So that'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon that movement next week. But the first thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning. I'm just going to get rid of that line there. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now. And from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter all over the place. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible going forward. First update here is based on a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going forward, 0.0134, 0.0135, right around that area is going to be that newest level of support. In fact, that acted, I mean, you could throw this right into a textbook as far as how resistances should act after they're broken. And you can see the price broke above it earlier in this morning. And then essentially the remainder of the day just cruised right above it. So truly a great example of resistance turning into support. And then, of course, the final 30 minutes really launched things upwards. So that brings to the next point. There's no doubt about it. Final 30 minutes was quite powerful. So if this move is going to continue and build upon itself, where are some of these next key overall levels of resistance at? So let's talk areas where the sellers may be hanging out. As far as that goes, overall level seems to be right up there around 0.017 as that first key level of resistance. If the price can push up through there, then nothing fancy at all. The next key overall level would just simply be as high as it's gone over the past several days, and that is right up there at 0.018. You can see it was rejected there and rejected right there. So those would be the next, the next overall level. But before you start talking about doing battle with 0.018 and all that good stuff, price first has to break up above 0.017. So all in all, great movement today. Great way to close out, like I said, the day. And then because it's Friday, close out the week. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.